What up? Starting 4 seconds early. Turn the alright, I need to test the mic today real quick to see if I'm actually coming through, because yesterday I had a look at the stream and I was mute for a long part of it, and that's no bueno. So if I just okay, so that seems to come through. Right, I'll just have to check in every now and then and make sure that's all right. Where's my drum and bass playlist? Actually, a bit of Dreamcatcher goes all right. Okay. Let's get this to-do list happening for the day. So what we want to do today, we need to... What am I trying to do? Oh, we want to see if we can... get this out of my keyboard. Successfully... Alright, just... transfer ownership of NFT upon battle completion. And I think that's got to do with signing the transaction. I was running it yesterday and it was saying you aren't the owner of the contract, so you don't have the permission, or the owner of the NFT, so you don't have permission to do that. So yeah, need to sign that transaction, I think. And then once that's done, and then just like look over update battle logic to make sure battles are ended correctly. And then we want to implement UI polling for price checking. And that's it. Then we have a working prototype. So that sounds good to me. I'm just gonna... So to do that, let's just look at Web3 signing a transaction. How do I sign a transaction with Web3? Web3 ETH accounts. Let's look at the Stack Exchange article and see if there's any hot takes. New Web3 ETH contract, gas limit, value, hex. Oh, Marty Bo's lurking in the background. Love it. I'm just going to be talking to myself the whole time, so don't feel obliged to type, but absolutely feel free. Okay. In Code API, get transaction count. I just want to know how to sign a transaction. I'm trying to create a Node.js based dApp that interacts with Ethereum network via that. Yep. We need to sign transaction with Web3, but the code's showing error. Okay. Because I would assume the reason I'm getting that error about not owning or not being authorized is that I'm sending the transaction from my public account number, but I guess you need to sign it with your private key. Otherwise, how you could send it from anyone's private account number. So that's my intuitive understanding. Whether or not that's correct will be a whole nother thing. There's no code. I'm seeing signing, but I can't confirm this transaction in Ganesh. There is no code to send a transaction whatsoever in your JS file. Okay, this person has... Wait, send sign transaction. What is this? Sends an already signed transaction generated, for example, using sign transaction. All right, what do they have? Private key, nonce, to value data. Interesting. I wonder if I can just use the HD wallet provider. Provider Web3. How to set Truffle HD wallet provider as the Web3 current provider inside a web page. Essentially, you build a HD provider just as you would in Truffle and then pass it to Web3. All right, let's try that. Web3 HD wallet provider. This seems like a fast and easy solution. That would be provider equals new HD wallet provider. HD wallet enabled Web3 provider. Use it to sign transactions for addresses derived from 12-word mnemonic. That's exactly what we want. Let's go. All right, make that nice and big and juicy. We want to go to Battle Dome, ls npm install save web3 HD wallet. Wait, that's not right. This isn't the right one. What's the one that comes with Truffle? npm HD wallet provider. Ah, that's what we want. This one. You can use this provider whenever a Web3 provider is needed, not just in Truffle. That's the plan. Nice, 26k downloads a week. That's what I'm talking about. So npm install save at Truffle /HD wallet provider. Then we can do the old import. Actually, could just totally open up my React project and copy and paste the initialization code from that. Let's have a little squeeze whilst that installs. Truffle config, I believe it's in here. HD, yep, mnemonic, toString, provider. Yep, all right, we'll do that. This is exciting. I wonder if this is going to work. Oh, I got a new follower overnight, which is so good. I love waking up to seeing a new follower. That means that somehow they've seen my video and been like, you know what? I'm going to follow this guy. I love that. All right, so we want... So this service, NFT service, that is getting a provider. HD wallet. All right, let's maybe go to the test transfer. All right, we'll import it in here. This isn't probably the best way to do it. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. This is where I'm going to do it though. And then we want to import HD wallet provider from HD wallet provider. And we're also going to say const mnemonic. Wait, mnemonic equals. I'm going to get this from Truffle because it doesn't matter if it's secure or not. Provider URL. That's fine. And then we say I'm just checking the existing code base to see how they've done the mnemonic. So we'll do const provider equals new HD wallet provider, and we're going to pass in mnemonic and provider URL. Whether or not that's going to error out, we'll find out. I'm going to get rid of that const hex.log because we don't need it. Transfer ownership. Oh, we also need to change NFT service. Make sure we revert contract to safe transfer. I mean, I could just do that now because I'm going to be changing it anyway. Wallet meant to be wallet. Oh God, I made a mistake. Where? What did I do? HT wallet. Oh, I mean, it doesn't matter because that's how I imported it, but yeah, I will change it. The beauty of JavaScript. Good pickup, Marty. Okay, so that means let's bust open Truffle. And, oh God, I'm going to need another terminal on top of this. It's too many terminals. Too many. We want client, I believe. Zoom in a little bit more. Truffle. Oh, actually, I'm just going to quickly change the contract because I don't like that I moved it away from safe transfer because I'm going to forget and then we're going to run it in production and then someone's going to lose all their money. That's not what we want. Client. Oh, I suppose I could just do this in the window. Client. And we want to do safe transfer from. And hope that that compiles. Truffle develop. Is it ever going to load? Okay, cool. Copy this mnemonic so we can get our wallet provider happy. Copy. Which I don't have open in this week. Classic. Classic. That's all right. I'll just make sure that I don't spend too much time clogging up this console. So we'll do compile. Oh, the shell for this is so bad. It just can't handle any miss inputs. So now I have to redo it. Clear. Truffle develop. Can't believe it's 9:45 already. Are you working from home, Martabo? Compile. Nice. What's your setup like? Do you have a good setup at home, or is it kind of lame? I had a shit set up at home for ages, and then I invested some money to make it better, and it was a good idea. Compile. Marty Bo, why didn't you get any work done today? Oh, because Aiden was distracting me all day. Sorry, I'll shut up. Cool. And then we want to do migrate. I love it when Solidity compiles and I don't even use the auto compile. Amazing. Amazing. Oh no, that's so bad. Can you get a dock? Like I guess they'll be more expensive if you need a dock that can help power different screens, but damn. That's kind of ironic. Has the mega overpowered computer just to talk on Twitch, and then the work laptop can't even power 3 screens. Hilarious. That's a beast laptop. My laptop's so bad. Like, I got a Gigabyte Sabre 17, which is like, I want to say like 4 years old now. It's got a GTX 1050, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigs SSD, and then a terabyte of a HDD. So terrible. But I mean, it hasn't exploded yet, so I guess that's all right. Okay, so I've compiled that, which means I can delete my contracts. I mean, not delete, copy my contracts. Control C. Let's open the old functions up. Yeah. I remember when I was working at Vanguard, the thing that I hated most about Vanguard is that for investment bank that has like, you know, some many billions worth of assets under management, they couldn't afford to give us, or not that they couldn't afford, they just didn't want to give any of the devs good equipment. And the dev experience was so terrible there. I hated it. It was so bad. Where's the mnemonic? Copy. Paste. Get the contract address. Copy. I think the wallet addresses stay the same. 28F. Yep. And 12C. Yep. Cool. HD wallet provider. Chucked that in. All right. So now. Yeah. But yeah, it's just so their logic's so dumb. I remember the best experience I had was I worked at Redify. They're called Telstra Purple now, but they were like a tech consultancy. They actually it was made by a couple of blokes from Monash actually. Really successful company, but basically their policy was they'd give you a budget, and I was there as a student. They gave you a budget to buy whatever laptop you wanted. It was like BYO device. You just had to make sure that you were enrolled in their trusted device policy, and it was so good. Everyone just had different laptops and were like so productive. Just gonna open a new terminal and run the React app. Man, this part of the project's getting slow as to test things because I have to run so many different. Oh god, and my terminal just broke. Did my stream just stop? Is my computer close to dying? Okay, no, it's alright, I saved it. I might also just quickly test to make sure that my microphone's coming through still on stream, because that happened yesterday and that was really sad. But we shall find out. Nah, it's still coming through. That's good. That is good. CD crypto client, CD client, npm start. Oh, the music stopped though on my end. Cool. Okay, log into MetaMask. Unlock. Reset MetaMask because the contract's different now. I always forget which one to click first. Settings, advanced, reset account, yes, close, refresh the page. What a process. All right, let's mint some cards. Confirm. Okay, so collection. I have 5 cards now. So let's do. Oh, is there an error? Do I see an error in that console? Error reading message. The request stream was aborted. Oh no, wait. Maybe it's just. Wait, did this break? Yeah. Okay, that's definitely an error. Transfer caller is not the approved owner. Transfer call is not the approved. Well, I am. Because my account that I use to mint it is the same account. So if I zoom in here, let's have a look. Drizzle. Web3. Actually, wait, no, we want store. No, we want this one. Accounts. So I'm buying it with this account. So why? Copy. It's exactly the same, but yeah. Oh, is this the same account? Let's just check. This is turning out to be very tricky. All right, maybe take a step back. Let's go to Truffle. Let's do, okay, let instance equal await official crypto trading cards. Dot deployed. Oh, I just freaked out again. Don't make me restart it. Fine, do it again. This is shocking. Okay, let instance equal await official crypto trading cards dot deployed. So, and then we got await instance dot owner of token 1. Have I not Have I not minted any cards because I restarted it? Let's try this again. Collection. No, it's still there. I'm just using the wrong. I'm clearly just using the wrong method. So let's go. Open Zeppelin ERC 721. Where's the? Wait, where is the? Ah, there we go. Owner of token ID. Well, that's what it should say. Await instance dot owner of 1. Return values aren't valid. Did it run out of gas? If you're not using the correct ABI. NFT token. Oh, we got a new chat. Call of Bang. Welcome to the chat. We're just testing an NFT game. Like, yeah, it's involving NFTs, and we're close to having it finished. We've been working on the project for about 3 weeks, and I'm just trying to. We've got a special transfer ownership method that we're trying to test at the moment, but we're not having much luck. Are you a software dev? Thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it. If you're interested in getting involved and want to join the community, jump in the Discord channel because we've got a bunch of people from different areas of software engineering. They're all passionate about this kind of stuff. And I'm streaming every day for the next 6 months whilst we build lots of different NFT projects. So great to have you on board. We're just trying to understand. I can give you a little bit of info about what it is, just so you know what I'm talking about. But we have these. We have the NFTs, and then we have the NFT game. So the NFTs are called the official NFT trading, the official crypto trading cards, and basically it's like the top 50 cryptocurrencies in trading card form. And the game will let you battle these NFTs. So say you had a Bitcoin card and I had a Dogecoin card. We could battle the cards, and depending on which price goes up first or goes down first, the winner of that bet gets the other person's NFT. So we're building a React app, some serverless functions on Azure, and we've got our Solidity smart contract to power this all. And we're just trying to figure out at the moment, we're very close to being able to test it all, but this last little bit of the smart contract's just been a little bit of a pain. So this is, where am I at? Let's go back to this terminal and figure out why. Instance. All right, so it's got it. It definitely exists. The address is contract address. Yeah, that's right. Method. So we want to basically, let's get all token IDs by address. We want. Oh, cool. Well, glad to have you. I'm glad you followed, and I'm glad to have you in the chat. What are you into? What sort of stuff do you usually do? Like, if you're not a developer, are you a gamer or an artist? Oh, nice. What games do you play? I play a bit of CS:GO. We've been trying to get a community game to play, like with everyone in the Discord, and I've been thinking CS:GO could be funny as because we'd all be so terrible at it. Are you really good at CS:GO? Everyone I've seen play are like insane. I bet you're a freak. Probably good as. Ever played Overwatch before? Or we've been playing that recently. I'm pretty new to it, but I find that fun. Let contract equal await official crypto trading cards dot deployed. Let's try this again. Await contract dot owner of token number 1. Why is it freaking out about that? Return values aren't valid. All right, let's redeploy the contract. Compile. Whereabouts are you from? What time is it in your side of the world? Wherever you may be from. Because I'm in Australia and it's 10 a.m. and I'm so tired. I've only had one. Oi, an Aussie. That would be the 3rd Aussie in the chat, I think. Oh no, sorry, 4th Aussie. What am I talking about? Reset. Migrate. Compile. Marty Bo. Australia number 1. Hurry up and compile so I can... Alright, so the contract address has changed, so I'll chuck that in the code. Let's chuck that in there. Paste. Oh no, that's the wrong contract. What am I doing? Oh, is that you in the chat, Hori? Maybe? I'm going to assume so, because that would be such crazy coincidence. Welcome to the Discord, my G. Okay, did that even compile? And yeah, okay, it did. So let's get that contract address again. Contract address, where are you? Yep, that's good. All right, so I think React should have got those changes. Let's just check client. Oh, this is just becoming such an very difficult to manage project. Functions. And then we delete the old contract. Delete. Whoa, my computer's struggling. Struggle town. Okay, post the new ones in. Cool. Alright, so that's in the functions. So I can do battle dome func start. And we'll jump over to the React app. Refresh it all. Need to reset my MetaMask because we redeployed the contract. Settings, advanced, reset account, reset. Yep. Okay, let's go back. Refresh the page. Let's mint some cards. Confirm. Okay, so we've got 5 cards now. Great. All right, now let's see. In theory, go back to Truffle. Instance dot, oh no, wait, sorry, what am I talking about? Let new instance equal await official crypto trading cards dot deployed. New instance, let's just have a quick look at that. Nice. Okay, so we want to do await new instance dot owner of. Cool. Okay, so it worked. So we've got the owner of that token copy. I'm pretty sure that should be the same as what we already have. Yep, okay, it is. So now, why is that complaining? Server call handler, IO exception request stream was aborted. Existing connection was forced closed by the remote host. Server kestrel transport sockets, socket connection. Is that using WebSockets, I wonder? I don't know. All right, I'm going to trigger it now. Try and trigger a transfer. So we've got the owner, we've got the other account, and the provider. See if that... Okay, so I think we're getting the same error as before. Transfer caller is not the owner of the or approved. All right, so now let's try that on the contract. So we do await new instance dot transfer ownership. And we need to pass in from, to, and token ID. Okay, so let's do copy from, and we're going to transfer it to this other account. And we're going to transfer token number 1. Just dropped out again. Oh, this is so painful. So painful. What is a better way to test this? Okay, let's do again. Await new instance dot transfer ownership. Other account. Shift insert, and then I wonder if it's because I'm on multiple lines, if it just can't handle a multi-line statement. Transfer caller was not approved. But it should be. Because the person calling this minted it. Let's do await new instance safe transfer from owner other account. So this is the built-in method. So I mean, if this doesn't work, so that worked. So that just tells me. So now if we do new instance dot owner of token 1, yeah, it's changed. So that's successfully transferred, which means that there is an error in the... What does that mean? Does that mean there's an error in the smart contract? That's really interesting. Client. This is kind of why I didn't want to manage the state of NFTs and the types of NFTs, because it just gets so tricky. So we've got transfer ownership from to token ID. Oh, actually, is safe transfer... I've just had a brainwave. Safe transfer might not be the same data type. Safe transfer to from, where are we? uint 256. Safely transfers the ownership of a given token ID to another address. If the target address is a contract, it must implement that, which is called upon a safe transfer. Well, that's fine. And return the magic value bytes that received address, and bytes. Otherwise, the transfer is averted. It requires the message sender to be the owner, approved, or operator. Well, I mean, from, to, and then token ID. Why is that failing, I wonder? All right, I've got a new idea. Hey, Scott, what's going on, man? I'm just struggling through this smart contract garbage. I'm going to try a new approach, which is to comment everything out. Safe transfer from, to, and token. Pixie.js. What's Pixie.js? From, to, and token ID. All right, let's do... All right, so we'll go back and recompile everything again. If this works, I'm going to throw up. Ooh, Canvas and WebGL. Nice. Compile. Oh, you used to play CSGO, didn't you, Scott? This guy, Call of Bang, oh, like Murray. Wait, was it Murray in chat? Let me just see. The guy who just joined the... Oh, Hori. Sorry, it was Hori. He just joined the gang, and he plays CSGO, and I was like, oh, maybe we should all get CSGO and have a massive round of CSGO. I need to schedule something in for people to... So we can all do something together. It's going to be funny as... So compile, migrate, reset, transfer ownership. I'd need to install it. That's probably small though. But when you only have 128 gigabytes of SSD space, everything's big. Okay, so that is officially deployed. Let's get the... I can Marty Bo, but that would require time and effort and patience. And I have two of those things. No, it's probably going to get to the point where I probably will do that. But also, yeah, and money. But I don't know, how much are SSDs? They're not that expensive comparative to a new laptop. Yeah, that's also true. Damn, Scott just dropping the facts right now. I was enjoying being in my disbelief wonderland, Scott. Oh, that's good as. I'm going to definitely do that then. And I'll stream it and we can all watch me break my laptop. Okay, I gotta delete these old contracts. Delete. Ding, 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 ding. Paste. $12 kilobytes, probably. Oh shit, that's actually kind of big. That's bigger than I thought it was going to be. Have they like changed the graphics so it's good or something? Copy. Contract address. The account that deployed it was this. Oh, I just closed my shell. Far out. Is that the one that was used? Is that the engine that was used for that famous game that everyone that's like cult classic has? I can't remember what it's called. What's that game? Yeah, Marty Bo. So true. That was my entire upbringing. Holy 12 terabytes. My mate did this thing where he there's like, I can't remember what it is, but some AWS service, and basically it lets you sort of obfuscate away the storage behind a USB, so you can have it like a USB that has like a petabyte of storage that's just connected to AWS. It's funny as. He showed me and I was like, are you kidding? When are you ever going to need a petabyte? But he's just like, oh, work, let me do it. So I was like, all right. Good meme. Good meme. Okay. I'm going to migrate again. Migrate. Oh no, migrate recompiles. I don't want to do that. But nothing's changed. So that should potentially be fine if I just leave it like that then. All right, well, I'll just try and see if I can reset my MetaMask account and then remint some cards. I wish I could share this on stream so I don't sound so stupid trying to reset my MetaMask account. Account, settings, advanced, reset account. Yeah, that's good. Oh, I got to sneeze. You're welcome. That I'm super quick at getting to the mute button. Okay, cool. So I don't have anything minted yet. So I'll mint this. Trying to work out how to get viewport coordinates in Pixie for drag and drop functionality. World space to screen space, Scott. Just call that method. But it doesn't exist. Well, what's happening? MetaMask is not working. Trying to call a function on a non-contract address. Oh, this is terrible. This is actually the biggest terrible thing that's happened to me. All right, let's migrate it again. Migrate. Reset. Far out. I hate Truffle with a passion. I need to move to hard hat ASAP. This is such a terrible experience. Screen space to world space. Dope. I already have screen space coordinates. Did you mean to say dope? Okay, compile. You are dope. All right, I can detect world space to screen space. I want the other way around. Oh, no, you want world space, which is like the 3D area, to a pixel coordinate, don't you? So that would be world space to screen space. to world space. Ah, okay. If you say so. All right. Get these stupid contracts deleted and fixed. Where did contracts go? Okay, cool. Whoops, pardon me for hiccuping. Okay, so in theory, if I reset my MetaMask account now, wait, I need to reset, not try and transact. Settings, advanced, reset account, reset. Okay, reset, React. Let's try this again. Buy. Confirm. Thank gosh. Okay, so we have the cards now. Great. So now let's go back to Truffle. Make sure it doesn't cry. Let instance equal await official crypto trading cards dot deployed. Let's try that again. Let instance equal await official crypto trading cards dot deployed. Finally, okay, so now we want await instance dot owner of token number 1. That is fine. So now we want to do await instance dot transfer ownership. Did you make a ton of money, Marty Bo? 50 shares of VAS. Man, I got out of the ASX at such a good time. I started trading VAS like at the start of the pandemic, and it was like, I think it was like $82. And then when I moved all my investment portfolio to crypto, it's pretty much just been sitting around 93, 94. Biggest fluke in the world. You know what they say? Bar the dip. Copy. Don't press Control C. Don't press Control C. Token 1. Why does that not work? All that's calling is safe transfer from. Transfer caller is not the approved owner. Nah, you should just... My technique trading VAS was to wait for it to drop one point, and then just sell it when it goes up that 1% again. Do that. You can do that roughly 4 times a month because that's how many times it usually fluctuates. And then you make like, I don't know, a couple $100 a month doing that. And then after tax, it's a couple $100. It's not terrible. They pretty much call me Warren Buffett. But I'm pretty sure Bitcoin and Ethereum are flying at the moment. Yeah, they're way back up. So is BNB actually. Okay, why can't I call this stupid method? Did I just, wait, what did I just hear? People, am I in the office? Wait a second. I am in the office. It's funny as. I was in my other Discord channel, my mate's Discord channel, just talking. Far out, I'm an idiot. I need to check to see if Twitch is still working on playing my voice. Is this working? Let's wait and see what it says. Yep, that's working. Okay. Why do I have a feeling I'm going to get nothing achieved today? Because it's not working at the moment. I'm going to open up the contract because this isn't making sense. Transfer ownership. Transfer ownership. And then it takes in a from address, a to address, and then a token ID. And that takes a from, to, and token ID. So that's so dumb because if I call it instance dot safe transfer from safe transfer from and give it the same new window. Need to open up multiple windows for this because this is just racking my brain. Zoom way out on that one. Oh, that zooms out on both VS Codes? What? So that makes no sense. That literally doesn't make sense because that's the same method and it works fine. But when I call it with my wrapper, it doesn't. Oh, maybe it's because... What about this? Does this work? Compile. Compile. Is this going to chuck an error? I was using this keyword in the contract, but I also noticed that I'm calling other functions in the contract that don't use this keyword that are inherited functions. So maybe I'm just calling it wrong. Oh my god, it compiled. I think I might have been calling it wrong. Holy shit, am I actually that stupid? When you don't know a language, but you still make a whole app in it anyway. I'm living and walking proof that you can be an absolute idiot and not understand a language and still build an app that's somewhat functional. $50 says this works. Okay, once this is compiled, let's copy and paste these contracts over to the copy. Let's go to the functions client. Oh, I'm opened in the wrong window. Functions. I can't believe I've just done that. It's the stupidest thing. If this works, everyone owes me $1. Scott, you owe me $2. Contracts. Okay, we paste that. Actually, why am I even bothering that? Because I'm not even testing it through the function yet. I should just actually just get the, change the contract address. Don't press Control C. Whatever you do, do not press Control C. Okay, so the same contract address. So what do I need to do? All right, we need to go back to React and mint some more cards. Let me reset my account. Settings, advanced, reset MetaMask. Cool. And restart that page. Okay, let's mint 5 cards. Confirm purchase. Okay. So we have 5 cards. So now let's go and confirm that the contract is in fact working. Let contract equal await official crypto trading cards dot deployed. Oh my god, every time. Every time. Truffle is the worst thing that was ever made, and the devs that made it should all go to jail. Is this still going to work? Nah. Reset my MetaMask account again. Whoops, I just opened up a really annoying program. Close window. This is going to just crash my stream whilst it's... I clicked on this IDE. I don't know why it's on my taskbar, but it's for microcontroller development, and it's going to take 30 hours to load, and it's going to crash my stream. Need to find a better way. I'm just imagining like a triple nested for loop looping over every possible thing. Const world coordinates equals get data local position parent dot parent. What's the data type of parent? Just out of curiosity. And it would crash if it wasn't in the same. Is it likely that they won't? Is it possible that they won't be in the same hierarchy ever? Current is sprite, parent is container, parent of that is viewport. Ah. What did I just click? Oh, that's the stupid IDE firing up. I'm going to unpin you. Go away. Unpin. Okay, let's mint some cards again. I'm not looking forward to having to test this in test. This is going to be so terrible. Be right back. I forgot I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm an idiot. Can't be missing breakfast. Let instance equal await official crypto trading cards dot deployed. Sick. Okay, so now we want await instance dot owner of. Nice. Oh my god, we're getting close. Await instance dot transfer ownership. We're getting so close. Don't press Control C. Yes! Oh, I'm such an idiot. But that's such a good success. Wow. This is great. So I just pretty much am a stupid idiot that doesn't know how to code in Solidity. But if that's the cross that I must carry, so be it. I'm going to end the stream because I'm going to go to the gym in 20 minutes time and have brekkie and have a little bit of a break and celebrate that that worked. But I'll be back for a big Arvo stream. So I shall see you